What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to replace this motor on the pantair pump. As you see, this pump is bad, so we're gonna replace the motor. Stay with me. So we're gonna start taking these 4 screws off. There's one here, one over there, and one in the other side and one in the bottom. So we're going to take this 4 screw off, and after that we have another screw, 1 2 3 4 more over there, so we have to take all of them off. So we have to make sure we don't have any power to the motor, so we turn off the power from the breaker, and also we took the wire off, so there is no connection to the motor. So we took this 4 screw off, but you cannot take the motor off. I was wrong. You have to take this 6 screw off. Okay, in the beginning I said 4, but it's 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 more screw. I took them off, and then you are able to slide the motor out. After I slide the motor out, there is the shaft in the end, and there is the impeller in the front. So this is the shaft. You can see in the video. I have to hold the shaft with something, like with a wrench or something. You have to hold it, and with the other wrench we're gonna lose that impeller. Took the old motor out, and I put everything back on the new motor. So we're gonna put everything back on the new motor, and we're gonna install that, and I will show you how to wire. Stay with me. I'm gonna give you a very important tip. So here you see that screw, so when you turn it on clockwise, it's gonna tighten it, and when you do clockwise it's gonna lose it, so it's backward. I hope you enjoy the video so far. If you're interested to learn how to fix a problem around your home and remodel your home, so make sure subscribe our channel, like our video, and so you don't miss any video in future. Let's start it. You can adjust this motor to work on the 230 voltage or 115. So it has 2 options. You just have to turn that knob. The number you see is gonna be that voltage. Now I'm saying 230, so it's gonna be that voltage. So we have a green wire is gonna connect to the ground, and we have a 2 hot wire. The both is hot, and we just connect to L1 and L2, and that's it. That's simple. So, and for the, I'm gonna show you the another pump. So this is the another pump. So I'm gonna explain a little more. It's not that motor. I installed this motor in another pump, but I wanna get you guys a little familiar with that. So as you see, they have a 230 and 115 again, and it's 60 hertz. So on 230 there's a two line, L1 and L2, and both is hot, and 230 is the voltage. But on 115 voltage, the line 1, if I move over there, so line 1 is the hot and the line 2 is the neutral. So this is the ground, and you have to install the green wire to the ground, and you have to wire the 2 hot to the L1 and L2. So one more tip before we go, so always test the wires. So don't go with the color, because here is white and black, but the both is hot. So normally white is neutral, but here is both is hot. So you have to follow the wire and see where it's connected. There you go. I wire everything, secure everything, and start the pump. So it's working fine, quiet, without any noise. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Have a great day.